Hi, I'm Joe Raczynski for Thomson Reuters Legal, here to talk a little bit about social media. Let's take a look at why people are using it, how they're using it, generally for what reason, especially our law firms. So let's take a little bit of a look around town and see what's going on in Washington, D.C., especially as it deals with social media at your law firms.
So what is social media? Social media are works of user-created video, audio, text, or multimedia that are published and shared. These are blogs, wikis, tweets, or videos. Popular social media sites include Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, but understand it is everywhere now, including commercial sites such as Amazon or Best Buy, where users can write reviews and submit comments for all to read. Why is social media being used? Social media is the evolution of the internet where individuals can directly impact and contribute to the whole. That means users or organizations can set up forums for open dialogue to broadcast messages and start conversations. Many do this via sites like Facebook or Twitter. Some even use YouTube. Let's take a look at Twitter. 140 characters, roughly 35 words, you can state something. Append video, photos, or links to content. Users can add hashtags or keywords for people to search on. You can also direct messages to someone specific or a company like the New York Times. Twitter can be used to market, announce information, and start a conversation. On this snowy day in D.C., I found a protest in front of the White House. Via Twitter, protesters tweeted to people all over the world with updates about what is going on in words, pictures, and video.
Perish because they could not get food or medicine. A genocide.
Now let's take a look at law firms and social media. We know our firms are searching every conceivable type of social media for their clients in the e-discovery process, but how are the firms utilizing social media for themselves? Recently, King & Spalding tweeted such announcements as firm wins, partner opinions about the Middle East, and recaps of events on Capitol Hill. On Facebook, firms like Hogan Lovells have pages which offer an open dialogue with users. In this brief discussion about social media, we talked about three things. What is social media? Why people are using it? But more importantly, how your law firm is using social media. In conclusion, there are two things that I wanted to mention. First, if you haven't already, check out search.twitter.com. You'd be surprised how much information you'll find about your law firm. Not only what they're saying, but there's competitive intelligence out there as well. Second, LinkedIn. If you haven't created an account already, I would recommend definitely doing so. And anytime you've met up with somebody at a law firm, connect with them. It's an excellent way of extending that relationship. If you have any questions about social media, I am happy to answer, so please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. And finally, social media has become so ubiquitous that even you know who is using it.